Okay, I'm out in the middle of the woods and decided to do a little video with the little camera strapped to my bike. It's too dark right now to show it to you. Actually, I could probably take it off and walk around with a flashlight. Okay, we get situated here. Here's my bike. Here's the mount for the bike, shooting up this way. That's what the camera was on. Hang on, it looks like got this going on. Motorcycle out here in the woods. Got my pack right here. I already made there's my food laying on the ground right there. Made my bedroll, 2 sleeping bags, sleeping bag cover, Gore-Tex sleeping bag cover right here. You can't see anything else. It's too dark. But yeah, it's pretty cool out here, and I think what I'm going to do is shoot video, I guess, through the night and until tomorrow, and then when I get up, you'll be able to see my campsite a lot better. All right, there's my fire. I've got let me see. I've got from the field with thousands of corn husks out there, and I've got let me see, collected a little bit of firewood, not a lot, but just a little bit. Fire's going pretty good. Got a pretty good log in there. That should be okay. Let me see if I can get this. Sit down. Here, I got the flashlight and the fire going on right there. Okay. It's morning time now. Made it through the night. It's cold out here too. I don't know how cold it is, but it is cold, cold, cold. But we'll get up and get going here. Oh, okay. A cold night. I'll get up and show you the campsite here in a minute. Okay. We got up and show you my little campsite here. There's the bike that brought me in here last night. Right here. This is my breakfast that I'm gonna have. Right there. My bedroll and my fire that went out. And I'm gonna try to see if there's any coals left on that. There's left of my wood right there. I'm hoping that I can get the fire going again. So we'll see. I gotta collect some wood, so to get the fire going again. So I thought I'd show you the area. It's big, round, circular area with these paths coming in it, and all around are these corn husks. Just all over. There's hundreds and hundreds of these things all over the place. I thought I'd show you my location on the top on for longs and lats. Let's see here. Everything's working real slow out here since it's so cold. Help me. Where am I? Alright, here we are. 32 degrees, 5.362 feet north, and 79 degrees, 54.962 feet west. That's the location of this little camping area. Alright, as I was preparing to go, I was strapping my stuff on the back of the bike and packing up my pack, and I gotta put my fire out too, but I knocked the motorcycle over. I knocked it over and the helmet was sitting on the handlebar like that. It fell over, hitting the top here. You can see where the dirt is, and ripped the inside of the helmet up. Also cracked and damaged the helmet here, which that's not good because that's not my helmet. So it looks like I just bought myself a helmet that I probably will never wear again, probably for 150 bucks or something. Yeah, woohoo, fun, fun, fun. Okay, I'm all packed up. Bike's ready to go. My bag almost ready to go. Very short ride to the house.